Hello everyone and welcome to Exam B. This is the fourth video in the series of NABARD IT Descriptive Question for the year 2023. So I will ask every one of you who is watching this video to watch the previous videos in order to get good descriptive questions which are important for the exam's perspective. Also see the answer templates that I have provided in video 1 and video 2, how to approach a question, how to start a question and how to end the answer. Also, I have made 6 videos on the NABARD IT previous year paper descriptive questions where you can find the sample answers also. So you guys can write the answer or can take the help from the sample answers and can improve your skills on the writing one. So let's start the video without wasting any further time. This particular 5 questions in the series are on the topic of emerging technologies, moreover related to natural level processing, AI and ML. And there can be a tentative question from this topic in the NABARD IT exam. So that's why I'm bringing such 5 questions. First question is about discussing the various type of machine learning algorithms such as supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning and providing examples for each in the real world applications. So here you have to explain about the machine learning, what is machine learning and why we need machine learning, how it is being evolved, how it is related to artificial intelligence and how it is related to deep learning as well. After that, you are going to describe the types that are involved in the machine learning like supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Give a model, trained model, how you are going to train that model for supervised, unsupervised and the reinforcement learning. Then you have to provide examples for all the real world applications that you can find around yourself for these 3 things. So be ready for all the kinds of questions which are based on these emerging technologies and also be ready with some real world application examples so that you can make your answer look more technically sound and good. This was about the first question. You have to write all the answers in minimum 300 words so that if it is coming in 15 or 10 marker, you are in the safe line. Now, second question is about explaining the concept of natural language processing and significance in AI and also providing examples, application and the challenges. So NLP is very much in use. We are using daily the assistant like Google Assistant, the Siri. Also in the vehicles, we have the smart assistant to help us. Like in Mercedes, we have, in BMW, we have all the high-end automobiles are also moving to these particular natural level processing. So this is very important. Also, you have many applications where you don't have to even chat. You can just provide your voice comments and you will get the reply. So these all things you have to explain in natural language processing. Also examples, whatever I have given to you, what are the further challenges, because they don't actually understand the tone in which we are talking to them. They understand the words only. So that is one of the major challenge which is in the as a roadblocker to the NLP. And you can lay down the significance of NLP in the AI because it is going to be the backbone for the applications which are using artificial intelligence. Now, coming to the third question, explain the concept of NLP and its significance and provide. Okay, so this question is typed again. Overall, we are going to have 4 questions only. So sorry for this particular typing mistake. Then we have the next question, which will be actually our third question, where here it is mentioned at 4. So it is asking about the concept of neural networks and deep learning, how they are actually related to each other, and the artificial neural networks and how do deep learning models achieve the complex task. So first you have to get an understanding about the artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning and how they are correlated to each other. What are the roles of neural networks? What we actually want to imitate using the neural networks, how they are actually going to be put into existence. Those all things you have to explain. The concept actually, what is the vision of having a neural network and deep learning, then how these actually work and how you will train the models which are using these techniques and how to achieve the complex tasks. Give some examples like ongoing projects which are out there, and then you are good to go for this question. Now, the last question for this video will be describing the importance of the neural network architecture such as CNN and the RNN. So this is very, very, very important. When you talk about the neural networks, you have to understand the convolutional neural network and the recurrent neural network. You have to give a deep understanding on both the topics and then how it is going to actually help us in the computer vision and sequencing the modeling task. So you have to lie down the importance of these all the concepts, and don't mention anything other than this, because these points are actually more of importance, because the question is not asking about anything on the explanation. They are asking about the architectures which you are using. So this particular question doesn't demand of any kind of introduction which will deal with the deep learning or artificial intelligence. They are getting straight to the point, to the architecture. So if these kinds of questions are going to come, don't waste your time in beating around the bush, and get straight to the point. Okay, so these were the 4 questions for this particular video. I hope you like this video, and sorry for one repetitive question in the particular slide. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from our side. To prepare 50% faster with iXambi, go and check out our website www.ixambi.com, where you can find our demo courses and the packages that we are offering. You can get a look on the content that we are offering to you. If you have any doubt, you can mention that in comment section. Also, if you have any further talks to us, you can reach out to us on the number and the email that is flashed on the screen right now. So that was all from my side. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and stay updated.